English and French. And they are followed by the services of the Prime Minister.
Maintenant, c'est le gouvernement, avec en tête les services du Premier ministre. Et je le disais à l'instant, le conseiller spécial du Premier ministre, c'est une dame, Madame Bertando. Conseiller spécial du Premier ministre avec rang de secrétaire d'État, il faut le souligner.
Et nous avons des collègues là-bas, nous avons des collègues. Donc nous voulons souhaiter bonne fête des femmes à Ako Pauline, journaliste principale, au secrétariat général des services du Premier ministre.
Exactement, bonne fête. À Lucrèce Medoundjemba, de la cellule de communication des services du Premier ministre.
Several colleagues there. I'm also thinking about Sisako Tamko, that has been doing a wonderful job all these years. And I would like to say, Atta, that Madame Bertado is there every year to match with the women of the Prime Minister's office. She does all the organizations and she leads them in the march past Mr. Panje. What does it do? How do you feel when you see such women who are committed to promoting the rights of the women in Cameroon?
A good example speaks more than any other thing, because they are setting the pace for the younger ones to copy, because tomorrow, when they will not be very active in such positions, the younger ones who have learned from them will continue, because the young shall always grow. Like the little beautiful child that was carried by the First Lady, is just to send a message that it is a relay. After the First Lady, there will be those younger ones too who will come, and as they are seeing the good examples of the seniors, they will copy it. Because the Bible even says, train the child as the child should grow, and when the child is old, the child will not depart from such good examples.
And
kudos, Madame Do.
Thank you. And we see that the women all respected the instructions that were given out, no high heels. So we have women marching at ease.
Les dames du ministère de la Justice, en ce moment.
Yes, we will soon have women from the Ministry of Justice, but we are still having women from the pilot centers marching.
Le ministère de la Justice.
And today, Atta, we cannot know who is a magistrate. We cannot know who is a minister. We cannot know who is who. Everybody is wearing a common fabric. The magistrates, you know these women who sometimes frighten you when you get to court. Today, all of us are wearing the same fabric. There is no indication that one woman is different from the other.
C'est ça, Dora. Toutes les femmes sont dans le combat. Au ministère de la Justice, il faut saluer l'engagement des femmes. Madame Noah Ebela-Marie, qui occupe
le poste de directeur des affaires générales.
Le poste de DAG quand même. Il faut également saluer Madame Essomba, qui est inspecteur général des services judiciaires.
Deux femmes inspecteurs généraux des services. Et nous avons aussi une dame conseillère technique.
Madame Demo.
Oui. Et nous avons aussi une femme inspecteur. Et en matière de direction, elles sont femmes directeurs au ministère de la Justice.
Il faut saluer cet engagement des femmes. Il faut saluer ces hommes qui ont confiance en leur capacité. Et ce 8 mars, elles sont là, fières d'être au défilé pour marquer leur engagement, pour dire au monde entier que nous sommes dans la lutte, nous sommes dans le combat pour l'amélioration de nos conditions de vie et de travail.
Oui, et quand on parle de la justice, on ne parle pas que des magistrats, il y a aussi l'administration pénitentiaire, et là-bas aussi, elles occupent des postes. Donc, il y a une femme déléguée régionale de l'administration pénitentiaire, et il y a 4 femmes régisseurs de prison.
Et puisqu'on parle de justice, Dora, il faut indiquer qu'au TCS, Tribunal criminel spécial,
yes, I was going to say
il faut saluer Madame Justine Gounou, procureure générale. Il y a de nombreuses femmes magistrates dans les tribunaux. Elles représentent le tiers de la population de ce corps de métier. 3 dames sont chefs de cour d'appel. Nous saluons Madame Cunégonde Ngoti. Nous saluons Madame Choumi Anne. Nous saluons Madame Régine Essenémé. Elles sont chefs de cour d'appel.
Oui, elles ne sont pas seulement présidentes de cour d'appel. Il y a aussi une dame qui est procureure générale dans ces cours d'appel. Donc il y a une dame procureure générale.
wait.
Bravo à toutes les dames de la justice. Les relations du ministère des Relations extérieures.
Before you get there, Atta, you know that we have so many women there in the Ministry of Justice, and they receive so many complaints, you know, issues pertaining to the rights of the women from the villages, from town, problems between men and women, they come into play, isn't it?
Yes. The problem now is solved to a greater extent in that last year the President of the Republic promulgated into law the new penal code, which is now punishing some of those offenses where before men were taking some advantages. Like now, adultery is punished. You cannot chase away the widow from a matrimonial home by family members. Those who carry out discriminating practices against the woman are punished. Breast ironing is punished. Those who carry violence on the woman, causing bodily harm, they are equally punished. A lot of this penal code, in fact, is a reflection of the situation of the woman, because they are seriously and heavily protected.
And on our screens, before we come back to you, Mr. Pandje, we have the Ministry of External Relations, women from the Ministry of External Relations. And you know, under that ministry, we'll be having the diplomatic corps, we'll be having women from various embassies, diplomatic missions that are represented in our country.
You see, just the day later, we celebrated the Commonwealth Day on Peace Building Commonwealth, and the celebrations will continue in Bamenda from tomorrow. I will head to Boya to preach peace, and you can imagine what is happening there, and the team just fits in squarely. Yes.
Okay, on your screens there you have women from the United States Embassy in Yaoundé. Women from the U.S. Embassy just marched past. You see one of the officials has actually made a tie out of the Women's Day's fabric. And the U.S. Embassy is always playing a leading role when it comes to activities marking the Women's Day. And we'll be having women from several embassies. We'll be having women from the African Union. We'll be having women from the French Embassy, from the Embassy of the Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, from the Central African Republic, from Congo, Chad. Those are some of the diplomatic missions that have sent women out here today to march. All of that is under the Ministry of External Relations.
Les dames de la diplomatie, les dames des différentes ambassades à Yaoundé. Et là, je vois les Mariannes du nom de l'association des femmes de l'ambassade de France. certainement que Monsieur l'ambassadeur Gilles Thibault est là dans les tribunes. Il est fier de regarder ces dames défiler sous son regard. Madame Chantal Biya, heureuse. Elle applaudit cette coopération. Coopération gagnant-gagnant entre la France et le Cameroun. Coopération gagnant-gagnant entre le Cameroun et le Gabon. Coopération gagnant-gagnant entre le Cameroun et la Guinée équatoriale. Le Cameroun et la RDC, le Cameroun et la RCA. Toutes ces ambassades des pays africains et étrangers qui sont venus communier ce 8 mars ici au boulevard du 20 mai avec leurs sœurs du Cameroun.
And Atta, I would like to say the debt development program, the C2D, has been helping Cameroon in all parts of the country. Cameroon has received close to 1,000 billion from the French government to empower the young people, to help organizations, especially in the rural areas, to empower them to fight poverty. And as the French embassy is marching, I would like to think about Madame Justine Ndokmo, who is coordinating the activities of the C2D in Cameroon, alongside the French Development Agency.
Toujours le passage des dames des représentations diplomatiques au Cameroun. Habillées aux couleurs du 8 mars, version Cameroun, et fières de l'être. Et ça se voit, ça se lit sur les visages d'ailleurs. Il y a également les dames du système des Nations Unies au Cameroun, il ne faut pas oublier.
And,
il y a les femmes tchadiennes qui sont là.
We have women
Coopération gagnant-gagnant entre le Tchad et le Cameroun. Deux pays frères et amis.
And on the grandstand, you can see the ambassador to Cameroon who is standing and clapping and cheering up the women. He's waving. A neighboring and friendly country to Cameroon. And just last year, the President of Chad was in Cameroon several times.
Alors il faut dire, Dora, que dans les carrés qui passent en ce moment, il y a des carrés des organisations des femmes centrafricaines au Cameroun. Il y a l'association des femmes réfugiées, très important. Et puis il y a la dynamique féminine de la diaspora. Des associations féminines regroupées comme ça fait plaisir à voir.
And we have close to 400,000 refugees from Nigeria, from the Central African Republic, that are all seeking refuge in Cameroon following the Boko Haram threats, following the civil war in the Central African Republic. Cameroon, being a peaceful country, has offered them shelter, has offered them a home. And these women have come out here this morning to say, we thank the Cameroon government for all it is doing alongside the international organizations that are present in our country.
Elles sont là pour manifester leur solidarité. Elles sont engagées pour la même cause. La cause de la femme, elle est universelle. Elles sont là et ça se voit qu'elles sont en parfaite communion avec leurs sœurs du Cameroun. L'association des femmes réfugiées, nous faisons un clin d'œil à tous les réfugiés du côté du camp de Minawao dans l'extrême nord. Nous pensons aux réfugiés centrafricains à Garouamboulaye.
Et à l'Est aussi?
Nous pensons à toutes ces personnes réfugiées. Nous sommes de tout cœur avec elles.
Oui, attends, on ne parle pas seulement des réfugiés, il faut aussi parler des populations hautes et des populations déplacées. Donc, à toutes ces femmes-là, nous leur disons bonne fête de la femme.
Vous le dites si bien, Marie-Bernadette et Simbi.
Yes, Atta, we have women from the
Alors,
Paul Biya
comment ne pas faire un commentaire sur le centre d'excellence Paul Biya, l'IAI? Ah oui, on est passé de l'opération 100 000 femmes Horizon 2012 à l'opération MIGEF 2035. Et il faut saluer cette initiative de Armand Claude Abanda qui vise à former 1 million de Camerounais à l'horizon 2035. Et il a dit que l'objectif, c'est de former au moins 100 000 personnes chaque année.
Et dans ces formations-là, il fait vraiment la part belle aux femmes.
Les TIC sont désormais à la portée des femmes. Dora, les femmes et les TIC, c'est un mariage heureux. La première dame qui salue le passage de ces femmes, elle est toute heureuse de les encourager, d'encourager les femmes de la diaspora réunies au sein de la dynamique féminine de la diaspora et qui passent en ce moment devant la première dame avec le drapeau du Cameroun à la main. Alors, les femmes de la diaspora avec le drapeau du Cameroun à la main, très significatif, c'est un symbole fort.
Leurs sœurs au Cameroun, même quand elles sont à l'étranger.
On their screens now, we have women from the diaspora. We have women from the diaspora that are closely followed by the women from Elekam. You know, Elekam is Elections Cameroon. And they organize so many activities on the occasion of the International Women's Day. And we know that the electoral register now includes more than 6,280,000 electors. And since the revision of the electoral registers for the 2017 commenced, about 62,941 new citizens have been enrolled, representing 23,000 women as against 39,000 men.
Elekam, Dora, qui met un accent particulier sur la distribution des cartes d'électeurs et la prise en compte des différentes modifications apportées sur les listes électorales qui se poursuivent dans les différents démembrements territoriaux d'Elekam. Et nous saluons Madame Florence Meke, notre collègue qui est chargée de la communication à Elekam.
And we want to say that the voter card distribution rate is slightly more than 95%, which means that they are doing a great job. And a special campaign is now on track to enroll a great number of women in electoral registers. You know that in Cameroon, women are about 52% of the population. And this campaign will continue till the 31st of March. And voter card distribution and integration of the variety of modification made in the electoral register is ongoing. So we urge all women to register now.
Elekam, nous saluons Florence Meke. Alors là, c'est les femmes du secteur administration qui passent. Nous saluons les dames du ministère des Finances. Le ministère des Finances, avec ces femmes réunies au sein de la financière, une association qui marche très bien au ministère des Finances. Nous saluons Madame Tafak Janine Berthe.
And now we'd like to talk about the FECOM. Just to say that his Director General has been made the ambassador for the campaign, He for She. Why was he selected to be the ambassador of this campaign, Mr. Paget?
Because FECOM is an institution that is gender sensitive, and above all else, FECOM is concerned with the development of local collectivities, and local collectivity is to give power to local entities to develop themselves. And as a campaigner for he or she, he is there to end violence against women. He is there to promote women's rights, and is equally there to valorize the work of the woman as a peace builder.
Les dames du FECOM d'Oraché. Le FECOM, dont le directeur général a été fait ambassadeur he for she. Alors, il fait partie de ces hommes qui ont décidé d'accompagner cette campagne en faveur de la femme. Il faut dire également qu'au sein du FECOM, il y a beaucoup d'activités qui ont été organisées pour cette édition du 8 mars.
There were several activities there, but we would like to greet the government, the delegate to the Yaoundé Urban Council. You can see the women from there. You know the delegates of the Yaoundé Urban Council, Antoine Timi. The women are marching at this point in time, as you can see on your screens. That is a man that has put order in the city. Today, you can't just place your car anyhow, anywhere. He has disciplined drivers. And we think that we have to say a special thank you to Antoine Timim for his efforts in all that he's doing in the city of Yaoundé.
It's worth commending his efforts, because those who trek equally have rights. So they don't park cars anyhow in Yaoundé. No, there is, he has killed urban disorder and has put order in what they call Sauveteur. They don't just sell anywhere, neither do they make anything that will disturb the order of the town. I want to appreciate him because the pavements that are meant for pedestrian walk are always clear. You don't see disorder anywhere. You don't see street children hanging around for whatever reason. And at every celebration, he invites children to come to his residence for a community meal and to tell them that he is here for them as a father, a brother.
And under the Yaoundé City Council, we have the various councils that are marching. See women from the Yaoundé 2 Council. And we can say that this time around, there were just two colors of the fabric, the blue and the pink colors. And Nanga Kebi, one of us, one of the longest serving ladies in CRTV, who reports especially for the First Lady, Madame Chantal Biya. And needless to say, the councils play a vital role in the development of the various communities. And they have been, these past years, talking a lot about decentralization and the transfer of power to the women or to the councils. And I would like to say at this point in time that the council of Yaoundé 7 and Yaoundé 4, Yaoundé 4 and Yaoundé 6 are all headed by women. The mayors of these councils are all women.
Et là, on assiste toujours au passage des différentes communes d'arrondissement. Là, c'est le passage de la commune d'arrondissement de Yaoundé 5e.
Oui, et le maire là-bas, c'est une femme et c'est elle qui mène les troupes ici au boulevard du 20 mai.
And on their screens, you have women from the Yaoundé 5 Council. And Mr. Pandje, I understand
toujours le passage d'Oraché de
just one question to Mr. Pandje. I understand that...
Permets-moi quand même de saluer Madame le maire, Madame Etundia ici.
Oui, maire de Yaoundé.
Maire de l'arrondissement de
Yaoundé 5.
Yaoundé 5e. Et qui est certainement installée là.
Yes.
Fière de regarder ces Amazones battre le macadam ici.
I was going to say that at the level of the various councils, the Ministry of Women's Empowerment and the Family has put in place special cells to take care of problems related to women. I've visited some councils and I see them there. When women have problems, they can rush to those councils and seek advice in relation to the problems they face.
Yes, the essence of those services is to bring the management of women affairs nearer the population. That is cheap, expedient, that is fast, development-oriented and void of corruption. Those services at the council areas is to assure the target population of the ministry, who are women, the family and the girl child, that it is not that every time that they should have a problem and they run to the ministry, the services at their doorstep will handle their problem, and if it is above their level, they cannot come up to the ministry for a global and national solution.
Dora, pendant que les communes d'arrondissement passent, nous saluons également Madame la maire de Yaoundé 4e, Madame Amugunoma. Nous avons envoyé un salut spécial tout à l'heure.
That is my mayor
à Madame Ngona Yvette Claudine Etundia ici, maire de Yaoundé 5e. Nous saluons également Madame Amugunoma de Yaoundé 4e.
Yaoundé 6 is also a woman who just replaced late Dr. Lulu.
And on your screens, you have women from the various councils in the Center region who have all gathered here to take part in this event at the 20th May Boulevard, celebrations marking the 32nd edition of the International Women's Day. And this time it has been placed under the theme, Women in a Changing World of Work. Planet 50-50 by 2030.
passage du bureau central de recensement et d'études de la population, le BUCREP. Nous saluons Madame Bernadette Mbarga, directeur général.
Yes, one of the director generals, very rare women director generals, apart from Madame Yao Aissatou, who is also a director general. And on their screens you have Madame Linda Yang. And on the heels of the women from the councils, we have women from the Ministry of Finance. That is one of the ministries that has a high population of women. When you go to that ministry, you see so many women. And on their banner, they say, women of the Ministry of Finance, stand up. I hope they do stand up in their services rendered to the users.
Les dames du ministère des Finances. Alors là, j'ai l'impression qu'il s'agit d'un carré spécial qui regroupe les pays de l'Afrique centrale. Des États de l'Afrique centrale. Suivi tout de suite par la Société de recouvrement des créances.
And on your screen, you still have women from the Bank of the Central African States, BEAC, that have come out this morning to march here. All of them with banners representing all the countries of the Central African sub-region, members of that central bank.
Madame Chantal Biya qui encourage le passage des femmes ici au boulevard du 20 mai à Yaoundé. Les dames sont heureuses de partager ces moments uniques, ces moments fort symboliques, ces moments qui magnifient la femme, qui magnifient l'engagement de la femme et sa détermination à aller de l'avant. 8 mars 2017, boulevard du 20 mai à Yaoundé. Marie-Bernadette Essimbi, notre consultante du ministère de la Promotion de la Femme et de la Famille. En ce moment, ce sont les dames du secteur des finances et des banques qui défilent. Il paraît que c'est un secteur... Il paraît que c'est un secteur qui comporte beaucoup de dames.
Oui.
Et certaines mauvaises langues disent que les femmes aiment flairer l'odeur de l'argent.
Non, je crois même que c'est les femmes même qui savent garder bien cet argent. Elles ne mettent pas facilement la main où elles ne doivent pas mettre. Donc c'est pour ça, à l'époque, c'était un secteur qui était la chasse gardée des hommes. Mais aujourd'hui, avec l'évolution, surtout qu'elles partent à l'école, elles s'intéressent à toutes les branches de formation et nous les voyons vraiment beaucoup en banque et monnaie et finance. Donc c'est elles qui savent garder cet argent.
Parole de femme.
They say Atta that women are always very good treasurers. They know how to keep the money. Even when you give them your money to keep and ask for it, it's always difficult to obtain. And we want to say these financial institutions are placed under the Ministry of Finance. We have banks, we have cooperatives, and we have insurance companies.
Cela dit donc, Marie-Bernadette Essimbi disait que les femmes savent garder l'argent. C'est pour ça qu'elles s'investissent nombreuses dans le secteur des banques et des finances. Mais il faut également dire, Mr. Pandje, que l'octroi de crédit aux femmes reste quand même une épine dans la chaussure. Les femmes rurales ont besoin de crédit. Les femmes rurales ont besoin d'argent pour s'épanouir, pour pouvoir développer leurs activités commerciales. Qu'est-ce qui fait problème?
De 2017, c'est oui à l'entrepreneuriat.
You know that money does not like noise. But the fact that they have problems with credit is just based on the fact that they don't have sufficient collateral. And secondly, if they mount some of their projects, it doesn't reflect the status quo of the person to give the funds. But now the Minister of Women's Empowerment and the Family has opened up the Department of the Promotion of Women Economics to train women, to reinforce their capacities, competencies, skills, and know-how on how to mount banking projects where they can acquire instant credits to move on with their businesses. And the ministry equally have a rotating fund which is called ROSCAS that gives women some starting capital for them to do business. It's what it takes for the woman to raise that capital now is for them to come closer to the ministry or to the decentralized services, make their applications, and within the shortest possible time, they will have credit to start off.
Okay, we have 18 of those financial institutions present here this morning that have come to show that they too are part of the financial and economic management of our country.
Sur les images, Madame Linda Yang, l'épouse du Premier ministre chef du gouvernement, qui applaudit pour les femmes, qui applaudit pour la femme. Et toujours avec cette mascotte assez particulière. Alors, ce sont les couleurs du 8 mars, une tenue spéciale. On se croirait en Asie.
Yes, Atta, she looks unique in her attire.
Et c'est ça, c'est la folie de l'argent.
Yeah.
Les femmes des secteurs financiers qui passent en ce moment avec des tenues originales. Alors toutes les femmes sont là aujourd'hui. Miss Cameroun est là aussi. Vous vivez en ce moment en direct de la CRTV, la retransmission en direct de la 32e édition, le défilé de la 32e édition de la Journée internationale de la femme. Et c'est sur la CRTV. Ceci grâce à nos Obivan. On ne cessera de le répéter, nous sommes fiers de ces Obivan qui ont été acquis sous la férule de Monsieur le directeur général de la CRTV et qui transmettent un signal de qualité, de très haute qualité et de belles images.
And we have ladies from INAM. INAM is the National School of Magistracy. Although they have so many sections there, they have taxation, they have treasury, they have magistracy. And I would like to greet more especially all these ladies.
L'École nationale d'administration et de magistrature, l'ENAM. Les dames de l'ENAM qui opèrent leur passage en ce moment. Dora, tu voulais dire quelque chose sur l'ENAM tout à l'heure.
Yes, Atta, I just want to greet somebody who is in ENAM and who is so close to my heart. I'm thinking about Marie-Anne Segui Ndongo Muntu. We expect you to come out like a great lady tomorrow to change this country. And we know the younger generation, the President of the Republic is counting on you people to develop our country, to give our country a different image.
L'enseignement supérieur est sur scène. Le ministère de l'enseignement supérieur, avec ses universités d'État et ses instituts privés de l'enseignement privé, le ministère de l'enseignement supérieur, avec ces dames fortes qui œuvrent au quotidien pour le rayonnement de cette administration. Il faut souligner quand même, Dora, que nous avons dans ce secteur-là plusieurs femmes doyennes de facultés dans les universités d'État.
Yes, Atta, in the sector of the Ministry of Higher Education, we have several women professors at both the higher education level, the secondary education, and at the basic education levels. But let's think about our universities. We have 2 women who are vice chancellors. We have in the University of Boya, and we have Professor Teresa Kenji in the University of Bamenda, and they're doing a wonderful job. They are women of substance because they have the academic power, they have the managerial skills, and they are a force to reckon with today in the academic milieu as well as in the political milieu. So we have several women marching today who are professors, who are doctors.
Au ministère de l'enseignement supérieur,
and as usual, they come with their majorettes.
Signaler aussi, Dora, qu'il y a une trentaine de chefs de département femmes. Nous saluons Madame Bonomari Joséphine là-bas. Nous saluons également le docteur Clotilde Moffort. Nous saluons le professeur Francis Kamoné-Mim. Et nous saluons Madame Teresa Litombe.
And this is the University of Yaoundé 2 on our screens.
Avec leurs jolies majorettes qui réalisent ici sur place devant nous de belles figures. Elles sont belles, nos filles. Dora, nos filles sont jolies.
You know, they say Cameroon is Africa in miniature. And under the Ministry of Higher Education, we have Institut Siantu that has also come out this morning. And I think that is the only private higher institution that is marching here this morning. And they will be closely followed by the Ministry of Secondary Education.
Le ministère des enseignements secondaires. Et même si Madame Evelyne Poudingole a pris sa retraite, nous lui faisons un clin d'œil. Elle a si souvent accepté de nous apporter son expertise. Chaque fois qu'on a eu besoin d'elle pour une interview, elle a toujours été disponible. Madame Poudingole, bonne fête. Nous saluons également au ministère des Enseignements secondaires Madame Ndok Anne-Marie, nous saluons Madame Mazou Aïssatou, nous saluons Madame Akbor Besson.